Snehi, let's take a look at the US markets.
Well, absolutely, and good move coming in from the US markets this morning. Good morning. Let me take you through what the global handover is looking like today. And US stock futures were trading near the flat line last evening, but this is after the S&P 500 is closed above 5,500 for the first time. So record close coming in on your S&P. That's the index to watch out for, because S&P 500 closed at 5,509, up 0.6%. That index is at, and Dow Jones is up almost 0.5%. A 4/10 of an uptick coming in for that index. 162 points higher is where Dow Jones has closed yesterday, and of course nasdaq continues to outperform both of its peers. Despite the rally seen in S&P 500, nasdaq has yet again outperformed what the S&P has done yesterday, and 0.8% again, or a 150 point uptick coming in for nasdaq. Nasdaq is also closed above 18,000 at 18,028 levels. So those are the key levels to watch out for. Those are the levels where the markets have closed actually. And let's talk about some individual movers. Paramount Global shares popped nearly 7% in extended trading, on the back of reports from publications that Skydance Media has reached a preliminary agreement to buy National Amusement. So that was the big move coming in for Paramount Global. And during yesterday's main trading session also, I told you what the moves look like. It's very stable, very steady moves coming in, building onto those gains that we saw over Monday and Tuesday. So far, if you take a look at the week to date basis coming in for the US markets, and also the second half of the year has started on a very strong footing for these markets. And S&P continues to rally, but there are also concerns growing across Wall Street that the narrow leadership of the rally may not be sustainable for longer. Remember, the run-up in S&P and nasdaq has been fueled by market darling Nvidia over the last couple of days, and over the last couple of months in fact, and experts believe that this may not be sustainable overall. And several new economic data points are also scheduled for today. You have the markets will be closing early today on account of the 4th of July holiday, which is the Independence Day tomorrow. So the markets will be closing early in the celebration of that. ADP private payrolls data for June are due. Weekless jobless claims figure are also due. The US trade deficit balance for May. S&P Global Services Purchasing Managers Index. Lots of data points coming out from the US, and most importantly, the minutes of the policy setting FOMC meeting from the June meeting will be out today as well. So watch out for that. And quickly, let me take you through what the European markets have also done. Closed in the red. DAX lower by 0.7%, FTSE 0.5% lower, and stock 600 deeply under pressure. 0.5% lower is where that index is as well. But this was on the equity front. Shanti, take us through it.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.